Hello everyone. So welcome to today's definition of reading a date from the user and deciding whether it falls in a leap year or not. Now, how do you identify it's a leap year? If the year is divisible by 400 but not divisible by 100 and or maybe divisible by 4, then it is called as a leap year. So what we are going to do here is, first thing, I'm going to extract the full year because we need to work on the year parameter to identify whether it is a full year or not. So okay, I have identified, have extracted, and it is there in C. Now I will make a check on this C. If it is divisible by 400. Now, how do you identify anything is divisible by some other number? Is you modulo divided by the other number. And if the remainder is 0, then it is completely divisible. So I am dividing it by 400. So if yes, it is divisible by 400, then we can say it is a leap year. Um, okay, so that is solved. Now, if it is not divisible by 400, and if it is divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. So I'll have to add in one more condition on the same lines of 100. So I'll say if it is modulo divisible by 100. See, it was not divisible by 400, but it is divisible by 100. Then it is not a leap year. So we are talking about 1600, 2000. So these are leap years. But 1700, 1900, these are not leap years, right? So they should be divisible by 400, but not just by 100. And if these two conditions are not satisfied, 100 also it is not divisible, but if it is divisible by 4, so all the other numbers between 1 to 100, which are divisible by 4, if so, then we will print it is a leap year. Right, so 2020 was a leap year. 2022 is not a leap year. And otherwise, for all the other situations, it is not a leap year. Okay, let's test it. Right, so whatever date you enter, what is important is the year value, and it will say it is not a leap year. With 2024, it would say it is a leap year. With 2020, it would say it is a leap year. With 2000, it is going to say it is a leap year. With 1900, it is going to say it is not a leap year. Right, so this is the entire logic. I've taken the same logic in one of the earlier videos. I'll put a card of that video also here. Check that out, and I'll catch you again in the next video with a new solution.